And we told you this one was coming. Evergrande, which is this massive, was the largest property developer in China. It has been ordered to liquidate. Yep. This has been going on for well over a year now. Longtime listeners know we told you that this was going to happen. They tried to reach some sort of deal over the weekend. They defaulted on its dollar bonds. The entire real estate sector in China is a mess. There's a quote here, and I got this from the Journal. The time is for the court to say enough is enough. This is in the Hong Kong High Court. Evergrande was given another adjournment in December to come up with a new restructuring deal. They couldn't do it. None of that happened. What does this mean? It was China's largest real estate developer. It's got some $300 billion in liabilities. Stopped paying on its debt 2 years ago, and it's not the only one in China. Now, again, opportunity. Again, China their economy is a mess. This is an economic collapse that they're going through right now that is, it's hiding in plain sight. It's hiding in plain sight. Sure, you'll get the occasional story on the business networks, but for whatever reason it may be, I don't understand how they can't manage to put 2 and 2 together at just how bad things are over there. And I'm sorry, Xi's position right now is not as strong as everyone is making it out to be. I mean, they're openly calling for people to do things, and people are basically giving the government the finger. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to buy that. I'm not having more kids. All of these things that normally, right. Again, it's a very different culture, without a doubt. It's a proud culture, and again, you can't discount that. But what you can see is that it's falling apart at the seams right now, offering an opportunity for us to have a bit of reproachful. And people say, well, why would we do that? Well, China was approached. China was approached during this is right prior to the Beijing Olympics in 2008, was approached by Russia to mess around with us. And we knew our problems going on with the financial crisis. And Russia basically told China, hey, what you should do is start unloading all of this American debt, cause another problem that you have. And they chose not to do so. They didn't do it. They didn't listen to Russia on this. Again, I think we could end up being, if we're smart and we don't listen to the super hawks that are out there when it comes to China. I'm so sick and tired of hearing about it. You'd rather bring them in and make them closer, use this opportunity. I'm not sure how. I don't know if it's helping out now in regards to tariffs, trying to strike some sort of deal. To me, that's a much better route than where the hawks are taking us. And again, you want to be doing business as much as possible. Not less of it, but more of it. Yes, do we understand supply chains? Yes, do we have to, again, when it comes to certain minerals and the types of things that we're buying from batteries and whatnot, a lot of that comes from China. And if we're going to continue to force cars down, EVs down people's throats, we need to have more of that here. I don't agree with that, but if you're going to do it, you might want to have more of these supply chains here. I understand all that. I get all that. People have been divesting from China for some time. Everybody's been doing it all around the globe. We get that. But their economy is coming apart at the seams. Would you throw them a lifeline? My opinion, yeah, I would, quite frankly. WatchDog on WallStreet.com.